You wouldn't know it, but in downtown Bozeman, on Main Street, in the building right behind me, there are 6 private residences. Let's go take a look at my new condo listing. Inside, you will find 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, elevator with secure access to the residential floor, beautiful natural light, and mountain views from your balcony. You'll get the privacy and security that are incredibly hard to find in downtown Bozeman. You don't need to worry about parking because you've got your own garage. Are you looking for a downtown home that you can lock and leave? What about an investment property with great 30-day rental potential? This is one of Bozeman's most unique opportunities.